Top 5 Travel Insurance Tips of 2021. When anything unexpected happens to your travel plans, travel insurance is a good way to get reimbursed for your expenses. Purchasing travel insurance is a no-brainer if your journey is abroad and/or costly. Number 1. Think about your destination. The first piece of travel insurance advice is to think about your destination. When it comes to travel insurance, there is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all solution. The amount of coverage you'll need will be determined in part by your destination and itinerary. The trick to saving money is to just buy what you need for the trip and not to overspend on extras you won't need. If you're traveling with children, for example, you may want to increase the amount of medical coverage in your travel insurance policy. Let's say you're planning a multi-country trip with a detailed itinerary that involves a variety of sightseeing, tours, and transportation connections. It's the 2-week break you've been looking forward to. Number 2, don't plan to get all of your activities covered. Don't say that your travel insurance would protect you for all kinds of activities. Since certain travel insurance plans exclude high-risk behaviors, this is the case. This is where reading the fine print or speaking with your travel insurance agent can come in handy. If you're planning a grand adventure that involves road racing, rock climbing, or bungee jumping, for example, your travel medical insurance is unlikely to protect you if you get injured or hurt. Look into a scheme that covers adventure travel, such as World Nomads Travel Insurance, if your trip itinerary involves events that aren't typical sightseeing or museum tours. Number 3, don't rely on your travel insurance to cover the pandemic. Since pandemics are usually regarded as a foreseen disaster, this is the case. This ensures you won't be reimbursed for your costs if your travel is delayed by an outbreak. However, strong plans that do not rule out COVID-19 as a foreseeable occurrence can still be found. Number 4, coverage for canceled for some reason will help you hedge your bets. Consider canceling travel insurance if you're worried about COVID-19 or any other issue that could affect your trip, even if you're afraid of traveling when the time comes. If you need to cancel your trip for some cause, this form of coverage reimburses the non-refundable prepaid portion of your trip. Here are some things to keep in mind about coverage that can be canceled for any reason. Depending on the provider, you must buy cancellation for any cause policy within 14 to 21 days of making your first trip payment. Cancellation for any cause coverage normally costs between 10% and 12% of the trip's value. If you cancel at the last minute, you will not be able to get a refund. Some plans demand that you give a prior notice of at least 48 hours. Number 5, using the free look time to your advantage. You're not really locked in if you buy a policy and quickly remember you made a poor decision. That's because most travel insurance plans have a free look period during which you can get a full refund if you change your mind. However, keep in mind that the free look period is usually limited to 10 to 15 days following the purchase of the travel itinerary. And that's it. Those were the top 5 travel insurance tips of 2021. If you liked this video and want to see more similar content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!